They come in a few different, or two different colors, tan and sage, I believe. So here's the seat. I'm gonna open the seat up first because I believe I know what seat they sent me. And I've liked this seat. You can get this on the zero turn 10, the ZT10. And I think there's some other optional seats. So when you open this box, the seat's not light. This scooter's really not that light, but it can be disassembled, so we'll see how light that is. So let's get, first things first, get this seat out here. And this seat is one of my favorite seats Pride has. And it's pretty easy to put together. Now if you want this in a different type of seat, check out our page. We'll have that on there, but I do love this seat. It's very nice back, kind of got a contour to it. It's probably going to be a little bit of a firmer seat, but it still seems pretty soft. Nice stitching, slider. Has a sliding seat with this one. Swivel. This is on the right side. This can be moved to the left side if needed. So that's the first thing we're going to do. We did a Pursuit video, Pursuit 2, which is an extremely nice scooter, but the difference between the two that I can tell you offhand is the size. This one's about 48 inches in length. Remove this, back these out. 48 inches in length, 49 inches in length, with the Pursuit I believe 57. So with that being said, you can go all the way in and tighten it, or you can put these little things in where you need them. The Pursuit's not going to fit on a Harmar AL100. The other thing you need to keep in mind, if you do go to certain theme parks, supposedly the length of Pursuit 2 is a little too long for the buses that they have. So keep that in mind when you're buying these. But I will say, I was extremely excited and pleased with the Pursuit 2. But this is the Baja Bandit by Pride Mobility. So this goes on the other side. That goes on here, and then you'll have your knobs. You have to use a little tool, Allen wrench, to tighten that down. But these are adjustable in handlebar heights, or in height, width, and these also flip back. And on top of that, this is adjustable too. The pad can come out or in. Just a little Allen key. It should be in the manual, or you probably have those laying around your house. So that's kind of how you put the seat together, and we'll get a little bit more into that seat later. This can change the angle of the arm pads, which you usually want it at 90, but if your scooter is angling down, you just loosen this and move this around right here. So when you get this, you have an option of getting it drop shipped to you for free, white glove delivery, inside delivery with a zero thresh or something smooth thresh. Here's your packaging slip. It's good to always check this. This has your serial numbers and stuff. Serial numbers here if you want to take another one of these off and put it somewhere easy to get to. Yeah, this box is long. It's longer than I expected for a scooter to be short, but here we go. Let's see what this is. So we can pull this out first. It's not that heavy. I'm just old, getting old. So this is probably your battery. So you have an option of one battery or two batteries. Now keep this in mind, you probably can't travel on the airplane with this. This is mostly for your yard, around town. If you're RVers, it's great. Oh, great scooter for people that travel in RVs. And this might be the single pack or double, I'm not sure. Okay, it feels heavier on this side, so if we open this up later, you have one battery on this side, you can't optional get another battery on this side. So just keep that in mind when you're buying this. You have an option of getting 2 batteries. And it's a nice handle, it's not heavy, 20 pounds. There's some labels, there's a fuse thing, there's a charging station back here. Okay, so cool. So what's cool about this is you can charge this inside your house and leave the scooter in your car right here. And it only takes a certain charge, so it's 4 pins instead of 3 pins. So we're gonna read this label because this is new. You might have to wake this up like most other scooters that have lithium batteries. Now what's cool about this system compared to adding phosphate batteries to your scooter is that you don't have the batteries in series necessarily. It kind of charges one brick, so it will be better in the long term. And I believe this has a 3-year warranty on this battery, which is pretty nice, through Pride, not through certain battery companies. That's a nightmare trying to go through your warranty. So keep that in mind if you're looking at upgrading your scooter to a phosphate battery. You might like this better. All right, so it says stop. I'll read first. Okay. I would imagine, I think that goes there. We'll do separate videos on this. This is an on and off for your battery. I would imagine that's what that means. There's your circuit breaker or something. You pop it, make sure you press that down if you lose complete power. Packaging box. This one's not. So it tells you what's in here: basket, charger, and manual, and accessories. So here you go. Let's open this one up. This is the sage color. Check that out. It's a new color, sage, which that's kind of a popular color these days. All right, all right, all right. This is the spring and your key, your manual, some other stuff in here. We'll go through this in a minute. So this might be a backup spring, I'm not sure, but we'll tell you about it in a minute. And then here's your basket. Here's your charger. A 36-volt battery. Here it is. So this is cool. Oh, that's so cool. So I just took the front off. And grab the back. I'm gonna just take this. This is kind of like all your traditional scooters, more like the Revo. It's just like the Revo on steroids. And just connect this back. There you go. There's your free wheel on this unit to push it, which you might have to do it with your unboxing. Just pointing out some stuff. This color is beautiful. There's lights everywhere. This can help you pick stuff up. There's tie downs, it looks like right here. There's bumper on the side. Nice tires. Lights on the front. And this is your adjustable thing. Let me pick this thing up too, man. I want to see this. So check this thing out. Here's your, when you're riding this, this has like some extra protection underneath here. They say it's a 4-inch ground clearance, but I think this is 1.57 back here. Metal. Beautiful. So 36 volt system. Most scooters are 24 volt unless you go to something else, but this is a 36 volt. And it can stand up on that back bumper. So what's cool about that, if you're storing this, you can store this in your shop, in your garage, in a closet. Obviously you would want to have this down, and then you could take the battery and maintain the battery, charge it up once a month. It has should have a management system in it that might shut itself down if it's not charged properly. Here's your springs. Looks like it's got, I mean, it's just super nice, easy to repair. It does, yeah. So it's got some extra brakes right here, so it'll automatically stop, but then you have extra brakes. And we'll lay this back down. Oh, if you need to tighten the brakes, this is how you would tighten those brakes up. You would loosen that, and loosen this out for a little bit more tension, just so you know. It's not heavy. It's the lightest thing of. Put it there. Take your seat. And add it right on to there. Swivel. This adjusts up, flips back, adjusts width, and then you have sliding seat. This is your tiller adjustment. Man, they really thought this one out. So when you get this and you turn this thing on, try to turn it on, it's not going to turn on. So make sure this is in the on position. And then you also got to take this, and it's on because we've already done it, but you got to wake this battery up. So you plug this in and then plug it into the wall, and this light will change and it should turn to red, and then it should be ready to go. So we're going to wait for this light to turn green. Let me point out two things real quick. Blinkers, horn, hazard lights, speed, fast speed mode, slower, faster, and fast speed up to 8 miles per hour, in eco mode, slower, faster. So, and then here's your battery gauge right here. So if you're riding this for a long time at a theme park, you probably want to stay down in here into the eco mode. So this was the unboxing of the Baja. Now we're gonna get this thing charged up because it has a warning label to charge fully before using. And then we'll do a review video on this product. We have a lot of videos. We think it's gonna be a great scooter. If you have any questions, if you want to order this, give us a call, 803-926-2224. Visit us online, search bar Bandit.